Yes.
Ageira como doni.
Ageira como Mario Babanja. Marikwado wapi? Wesi yario area. Ndio. Reure. We are in the initiation period.
Yes,
Yes.
Kemera kiu kia irua.
Ne kia irua. Adonda yura kifoya kiwa he gurani ya kugimara na korua. Tugaye korua. Because that is what it is.
Yes.
Yes. So kesi sonine ya irua. Na irua ne register just over time.
Yes.
The circumstances have since changed. I don't know more miena kisagi mayokana oko mijini. So now that also affects how we go about it.
Yes.
Yoraki onakwirua rira tafanio ne kanitha kwirira tafanio ne athuria kiama. Yes. And largely that is necessitated by the fact that uria tuikara kunyairo vi titoria ndo maikara gisegete ni uguthie wethe mutikianda une wake cube. Sometimes we live in 2 bedrooms, 1 bedrooms, single.
Meikarira ukundunge mihanania na rugongo.
Yes. And kiona ndo makiembrace horo wa cia ihe na cia ihe guthie kurua as a group.
Yes, magatwarwo handu.
Yes. Makaheo kirira
makakirua.
Yes.
Makaheo mataro.
Absolutely. And it is working largely for very many people. Todo wa the circumstances. Wodake gweta no le gataneri iri akweithwo the twakoro gesagiri. This is a generation where all the maruira gesagi.
Yes.
The circumstances were a little bit different. Dikwenda kulikira muno horo weyo gogwoi. But there was one outstanding structure ya mundu akinya kurua.
Yes.
Tondu ni wethagirwo mundu wetagwo mutiri. Yes. Atiria yari ni makoro mahitukite kindu gitagwo chapter 6
of the Constitution,
which is the chapter that describes
integrity.
Yes. Ugakrona yokanitha ni kuhitukitie like a person with no or very little sin.
Yes. You are a person of good moral standing.
Someone worth emulating and someone who can be used as a, for example,
Yororo Mondo.
Atiri, they were not, they were hand-picked.
Yes.
Are we together?
Natiando the manga qualified.
Yes.
Go to a catiri.
Nagesagi no koragari ruogo rumweri ne kwaga atiri agetigo oyo
omwetu
ni multitaskaga.
Yes.
Todo age maroro matire
kehariro.
Yes.
Kana they are wayward.
Yes. Onogirora le athuri akura kuruma kiaria ne mauga atiri ne ndona muthure timburu niwe watutire turi twari ihe kenda. Todo mutiri nake was a respected fellow.
No, Moti, even to Motiri.
Actually, Marika mea maituri. Mudure wa otiri mwana wa karuta kofio mekiraga.
Osio ne modu wa kuhe ultimate respect.
Is another father.
Yes. Osio
ona actually ruogori. Kogia kinyire hadu igwati osio are mire akire mau
Motiri.
The society no ekuhothire.
Mundu remete mutiri rucio society ne kuohorete.
You are an ISO. You are an outlaw.
Well, ne makuohorete.
Mutiri ni ari nawe yathia kone nawe brought. Omundetie mutongi. Akogie maya mari agima.
Moko.
Yes.
Akonyitithanie na ruthingo.
And not even the vika ageigirire Baara yo.
Okay, horo ni mugutiri gutiri mundu ingeigireire Baara yo ona thoguo.
Yes.
Never.
Ona ngiakori okihuru agera mugunda urihuo wega.
Gihanda hu.
Tondu mutiri nake ni atrastago muno na akaheo mamlaka.
Yes.
He was executive.
Actually, he had unlimited power.
Yes. And you see, they also had their version of, they had their window of soft life. You see, there is an age set. Taro rika rigwere to ria cha.
Ria mwaka uyu.
Rika rigitaragio na kiria kiratire.
Kiria gikuo hindi yo.
Nikuri ginya rika ria corona. Yes, just so you know. Kwi rika rikirua the age set ri. If you are a formidable motiri, you will be sought after.
Yes.
And you know you will be paid in kind and even livestock. Those who follow the traditions. Motiri no na ihoria gicego.
Kwa gwitira imwana ta kenda 10
Leu motiri bere daya. Kwa ruo ni abaka exempt kuma kure duties kwa muci.
Yes. To ni kwa menyekaga ne he handu ehokeirwo kimwana.
Ocio ni oneka is a committee of experts.
A sought after.
Yes. It's high season. Au mamo ciu agathi uyu. Niwe wachusaga ekuria ki. Agora kiruye kiruirwo githeri. Skip.
Skip.
Pass.
Na ndio nake ni hotaga ku analyze micii ya imwana kuria kihokeirwo. Na ne ukimume ni mundu ukimui no mundu wa hau akamenya
kiria ya kuria kwa wanyina wa ngururi kou nyama cihoranago.
Riu kou nguthiira nji nigethe nyite
sapa ndikirie kanyamu
uria kwa ba maciri kou tondu nao ni amutungori kou no ndokere mangagure
no ndokere cia maiteka tondu gwa tomu ri ngwaci ndihekaga uhoro
na nduhia
na kigoi
icio ni cia snack breakfast.
No ni cia in between. We kumwathia bites before meals. Agikora kirui giake kamwariria. Of course you know actually motiri those people, if you look at their trail, they eventually became nurses. Or ado makazuranaga asio. Because they were very good at that. Kanarimu. Because they had authority.
Na ni athi maita maigana ona ri riu nake ni agiaga kothi iyo yo tarani
season ya irua ni aruraga ikai mono rake nywa iria ri takanyau ri
irio arahorani uria kwenda ri
mwamona athiete na renjio no kweruruka.
And some felt very powerful. He to mite makuaga. To kuagwo ni ukabi.
Tuthanju twiho. Muona hitukite ogwo. Ni akunetwo bia agurire kirui giake fanta ya rite emwe. Iria chufa ya ngirathi.
Na no hau no aritigerio marambuca.
Wega biu. Ndetagio seji. Acha. No, that is a foreign expatriate. Ne kugura mugurite utaramu.
Na mutiramuri hamucara. Ari ho in kind.
And he would not even greet you okaigirete ku.
Kore kiumbu. Kore patient wake.
Client wake.
The consultant do.
Na ni akona consultancy fee. Doctor visit.
Na agoka ikara ithoguo kana ithana nuthu. Agathie next stop over.
And you see nyina wa kirui gikiri. You see they will never set foot there.
Agigira kiumbu gia kirui.
So it is Mutiri's word against his. Ni okaga kauga nyina wa magikuringana uria arathie tuthiete wega. No ni undu uria tugithiaga ri agirugirwo kanire.
You dictate the diet.
Ni ararungurwo muno ni githeri. Ndwe ndaracera muno. Githirathi kari mundu. The good would dine like he would have continental breakfast.
Like a village king.
Yes. He would eat better than working class men.
By way far.
Yes. And you see, he would also handle your finances.
Yes.
You see, people would not come and give you money, so they would say,
pass through the MŨTIRI.
Okay, Duru. Mwanake hana atia.
Dare na udu no arathi wega.
Kimurentu ukiteke. And his integrity was put to test. Tondu ni angia gucokanirie ngirita igiri. Akorwo ti mundu wa ikero cia integrity ri. Ahuthire corruption. No aria ingi ni maigaga. Yes.
Na gakunengera enda.
Na MŨTIRI ni ari na riri. Management reserves the right of
admission.
Tinya na kesio the ciuke kuu kuria.
No.
Kwaje muko ni mukiraneire kindu ta muhiki.
Kana mwana cogoira na kambi.
Yes.
Hitia agukore in his territory.
Ni aku blacklist a patience yake othe.
Ane kiureka guku.
Ndirakwira atiriri kwa George. Egusu. Kairo. Muriuki. Na kwa Bob. Ndigakuone.
Gageria. Kana njigua urari kuo.
Yes. Na gathia kaura report kwe muthe waku. He anake itarenda guku. Acio ni afangi. Kwaje
Uri atheca bili.
Ya fagi. Na ukodira hitio na heo munyo na atathia na Nairobi gwitheca.
You are a band.
Athaka na MũTIRI we. MũTIRI the whole of that season ya iruari. Ndekira nguo cia mugunda.
Hapana. Aturage mutheru.
Na invigilator wa KCSE. He would go globetrot the village from end to
end.
Ona ndangianyitirwo ni thigari cia cifo.
No.
Ona kugeire muguri wa igua. Wenda.
Ena arwaru ararora.
Wewe ndio unaangalia vijana hapa. Wenda hao wengine ngieni. You are given even the village immunity. Kuratha kana MũTIRI no muthi wa America baitu aria twa nao ri. We have tremendous respect for them.
A lot.
Yes.
Ni ukamuona gokira.
We ndungikara gete arugie because mostly they were older than you.
Yes, slightly older.
Yes.
MũTIRI na ngeikira kirabu agukore ni ucomoke.
The few of mannered and cultured ones we are left. Yes. Ndirakwira kwaje kuwekirwo ithemba ri. Ni MũTIRI ikara hari ataka motho.
Aitebu.
Chief guest. Na no mwakagia hiro andu aari. And in that breath ni athanga timetable ira na iru ithano. The occasions cannot happen in one day.
Yes.
Ni amutiragia.
Abara muthenya ucio ndikwa nguru.
No mutore Saturday we.
Tondu na
akende munyitithanie eri
na makuhaniriirie
jume no ri tondu kwa nguru no haha ri no mwike ri anyu ngere ku njuke ku ekereria guku he would be a sought after person.
No, they lived like kings.
Ni kwenda MũTIRI uturehere mwanake. And you know you would appear very weak in the presence of your MũTIRI. Yes.
Umenye for one mutingirugamana na ndungimucokeria.
No. Ni wikara wende ithemba nake ikara haha. Yes. Like tandagitari wa gwika heart surgeon. Wahona.
Okay, kaikara igua ati riu tondu uragimarire riu nginya ni umitie mutwe ndungiaririo ni maitugu. Utumirwo MũTIRI baku.
Okay, na kiria na goons ciake ici
igiri
magakurima. They pump some sense into your empty head. Ukarimwo wega. Yes. And one way or the other, their lessons were never forgotten.
Yes.
Magaithike othe atiri. Atiri othe arugongo magaithike. na mathie na mbere kurura makai na marute wira mwega marathimo marura makai
it was their season to eat
and
live well.
Absolutely.
Like
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
na tumesija leure. Ya, sisi hao. Dia hiyo. JKA. Reure.
Herding.
Yes. You see, a group of cows is called a
herd
of
cows.
Yes. So when you take the cows for herding or grazing, that is what I am saying. You see, now these people have embraced silo
glazing.
And the silo glazing means you have mahuti. Tene utirari horo wa zero grazing. Cows used to forage for food.
Yes, around.
Yes. Na kwe mesi wakoraga muno mesi he. Yes. He kimwe kierugamagia oguo. That position was earned. It was not given on a silver platter. You had to earn it. Ugatuika we ni watwaraga ng'ombe ku.
Roru.
Yes. Na roru muno ne kiadaine. You see by the river there is a lot of vegetation.
Yeah.
Yes. And no man's
land.
Yes. Todo ruini rokire lithafu.
Yes.
Isia twaragwo kianda-ini kundu kwina kiharo gia thirikari kana ruwi-ini. Yes.
Kana waithio reithitie na bara woguo.
Yes. There were some homes ciakoragwo they only have girl children. Ha moiretu omwe weru mageta kihe kia mucio riu.
Kia mucio cio.
Wona haroketie ng'ombe. Mwamonaru and they were very effective and akanuthanju nginya ni amenya kuuha kihuni aingi macokire kuingira jeshi because they were brought up the military way. Yes. Riu akoraga mostly ng'ombe tiatwaragwo kirio muthenya rurutie thiagwo muthenya riu akoraga there were some days yes
cia guthie roru
ningiona ni kwagiragio kurithia muno mutikahinyie kianda kiu riu akorwo ko ni we riu amurwo ni family you are the harder. Yes,
we ni we riu guthie roru nacio
ni we mureithi. And you see kurithia was not about Ishoka. It was more of the Davidic dynasty.
Yes.
Uria Samuel yaugire atiriri heida roraga Ishoka murarora akirwo heno mureka atia
hari umwe wi roru.
Yes. Riu tuhetwa roru ri they were tiny boys. Okay, there were some big ones but mostly ugia compare na roru ria rareithia ri aro commandaga na authority. Yes. Akwa unu harukia ng'ombe cihejireria ciageragirio tikagere migunda-ini ene cieke atia
itikare migunda ene
itikare irio ukarukia. Of course twathia kurithia wi woike wakoraga gacau
ni mwacemanagia riu
ajogu amwaura maruketie ki
ng'ombe.
Yes. Mukarurukia wona ni cia settle they are eating they are grazing peaceful waike gucia nyeki. Yes.
Ne mwene yekiragwo mbugi.
Yes.
Iyo niyo GPRS tracker. Na muno yekiragwo area jisi
iyo niyo yekiragwo katra no kautra
ukamenya hari eri waigua mbugi.
Yes. Na inyuĩ mwacitwara ũguo ciakinya-rĩ mũkanjia rĩu Premier League. Yes. Season ikahingũrwo. Yes. La Liga rĩ hatia ũmwe who would make a very nice FIFA ball with the buoyancy ya kubounce akaugũithia
kabira gakajia
mwajia kagi hau. Yes. Waigua umauga atĩrĩ Saro ng'ombe cianyu cikwene Ukamba hurwo sabu.
Ugatangikire kaundu kau.
Na wene ko hurwo sabu ariga ng'ombe kagoroka.
Sego kwehereria muthako.
Yes. Ukamicokia kwenda. Kana isi there was some expert. Mafundithie ng'ombe aikia ihiga. That's a signal.
Neguthie sana.
Yes. Aikia ihiga ikamenya ndwe ng'ombe niciamenyaga ona niciamenya aikia muda.
Niciamenyaga.
Niciamuya mayo cikamenya mutahitwo ni kai.
Kuone kagitu nacio ikaigira kwene cibi.
Kana ikaigiria munithi ngeini ikagucia rubebe. Kaiwa mutu there was always someone family. Ya mutumia mu. Ng'ombe barara iya magonda. Kamenya hey katigirire.
Niciatwitanira.
And you see mugemairirie uguo ng'ombe kwanja igethe cabbage cia mundu.
Cia guitiririo mai.
Na nĩ cabbage ng'ombe ĩrĩ atamboro gam.
Iri cabbage ciene na raini.
Yes. Na mwenyane nĩ ta cabbage nĩ ũrĩa ĩitire ruta nĩ mũrĩo. Umenya wan wathondeka uthu nginya na ene mugunda ucio na family cianyu. Yes. It was very detrimental.
Na nĩ cia kwandĩkithia Baara muci.
Wega pio ukurihuo to.
Ni okuga ng'ombe ikuri yakwe nĩ ũgĩka atĩa?
Absolutely. Kana in some cases mukia batari we ukanotice he mburi cianyu ng'ondu cianyu igĩrĩ itaroneka.
Riu nona githaa niu rigikinyire gia kuinuka onacio ni ciamenyaga githaa gia kuinuka cikanjia riu kuria irorete na ya mucii ukoria induru ko
tuigiriri
ndiramiona
ukarigo riu ndurume icio kaiguruka
riu cieko
na kworaga ndurume ria njiru area glaringly
noticeable.
Yes. Na gutiare thimu hurire
kana hii mugunda ukarora migunda haria ukureithagia
gutire kaundu kau no ya utuma exile orina worst case scenario ni utahirwo ni muvira piu kwagia mairia. Yes. Ng'ombe cia nyure cia batio ni mundu ungi. Yes.
Mundu mwe responsibility.
Yes.
Amenya ici ni ng'ombe cia ng'ania. Acihuro guo kahora kahora.
Muthuri ukuringaga ruwe uga atiri ici ti ng'ombe cia karoki. Icio itigire ng'ombe icio kianda. Acihuraga citwara gwake. Yes. We ugiuka kianda ukaga ng'ombe. Alarm number 1.
Ukauga woi
kagukire bokoti. Oase mote kugera fara. Okinye mucie advantage position.
Oshuthie.
Ukanotice kona the cow shed is
empty. Panic.
You start developing cardiovascular complications and neurological.
Oga bas, niene dage kuwa.
Ya.
Kai usieko.
Kai.
Kuthia mufira wake.
Kiu mufira ucio gagu. Jehova oi kai gaturume gothingu. Yori fana omega riu ni nako. Ai waifura hemu.
Kana njoke kianda.
Uri o hau uri ukaigua kuria atiriri. Kai saira thire ku. Ukoya kava.
Ugakunga kihutine.
Akuga kihutine ukamenya riu haha ri. It is time to now visit a reputable law firm. Ukamenya watho uria wa de minimis non curately uria uga ati the law does not care for small things. Do apply. How? This is a capital offense. Okay, uria riu kai.
Atoya nginya iria ibugi ndirameigua.
Ugethithia riu kwa ihiiria muma nacio. Okay, urithia Saro. Ninyu mabatirie ng'ombe citu.
Asa, twicirio na nĩguo ciumagaririe.
Ngai.
Nĩkĩ?
Ugathie mĩciĩ ĩngĩ ĩtatũ ĩrĩa wĩcua no ikorwo ũkaheo negative result.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo rĩu nĩ gũcingimanire biũ.
Nĩ gũcingimanire kwenda nginya kembo ya gwetha mũciĩ.
Kwanja ũgĩthiĩ ũkaigua ngiria. It's darkness.
Ũkaigua ngiria, and because the village dogs used to behave like wolves, ũkaigua ukamenya Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Riu nĩ njoke njuge ng'ombe ithire kũ na mbũri.
Son of a carpet. Diwa wa tanyau. 4 cows and one is heavily pregnant. And the 4 merino
Ciĩkũ
missing. Ukauga rĩu haha rĩ, I am not prepared to die rĩ. I would rather seek redress.
Kafathi exile.
Yes. Wazo ukauga mwegitio waku rĩ wĩ gwa coguo. Ukagera gwa coguo as senior counsel. Ocio nĩwe gĩkĩro gĩa Paul Kĩbugi Mũite. Wakiri Jimmy Agri Orengo. Kana Gathaiya.
Kana Martha Karũa.
Kana Kamotho wa Iganjo. Kana PLO Lumumba. Waithie kwĩ Lumumba akũria. Nĩkĩ Saira. So niĩ ndetha ng'ombe kĩanda ndinaciona.
Cigeire kũ?
Ndiramenya niĩ thire twathaka mũbira niĩ ndinamenya cikĩũra.
Tamba ũtige kũnihaniha he ũhoro wega.
Yeu baba ndiakũnjũraga.
Agũgĩkũragĩra kĩ?
Aciria ng'ombe icio ikora ĩmwe ndeite.
Muma na ũkĩanda.
Tumana koge Gasara na Simon.
O nĩ mainũkirie ciao.
Na matia zitire kũu cũcũ.
Rĩu cingĩkorwo igĩire kũ?
Amenya rĩu ũcio nĩguo thĩna cũcũ. Na we ndaũkanie mũbira ũcio nĩwaganirie cũcũ. So aka inquire tondũ rĩu nĩwe rĩu defense lawyer rĩ. Aka inquire mwena wa the petitioner amenya ũrĩa mahana kũrĩa thoguo nĩ mũrĩu. Wene uma buroti.
Na mũthenya nĩ akũgerete gwa conjo kuma mũratina.
Rogona kuweta radi agĩthiĩ kũnyura. No, you have to make your case and you have to open up to your.
No nginya ũhe wakiri ũhoro wothe. Nĩgetha nake amenye ũrĩa kwarĩra cira.
Amenye ũrĩa you honor. Aikara hau ambe ũnyue cai. Cai ũcio karema kũmerũka.
Ũranyita gĩkombe ũkainaina.
Nĩ ũrĩgĩkua tondũ ng'ombe nĩ ciũrire nawe. Gĩtiũrĩe. Ũkĩhũrwo ũkorwo wĩ mũhũnu.
Ũcio nĩ wakiri waku agũpuripĩa. No ũhũrwo.
You know, back then, they believe scientifically when you are full, the pain would be less. So guo oya gaikinya kauga atĩrĩ nĩ tũthiĩ kũu kwa resident magistrate tũigue kĩ
tũigue ũhoro.
Cũcũ wanyu nake nĩ amenyaga kũrũria emotions. Oka Martha. Arĩkĩ Martha. Ndoka kũria atĩrĩrĩ nĩ mũrĩ mũramenya Cireteko. Ũcio ndĩmwetereire o ndĩmũrage Martha. Ũkamba gũcoka na ũcio ndĩramũtemenga ũmũthĩ Martha. Ng'ombe ciothe gũtirĩ yonekana ona ĩmwe. Na ndũrũme gũkũ tũrerete na thĩna. Ndakwĩra o mbũrũ na ũthikĩrie niĩ ndĩ nyũkwa ndirĩ mũkaguo. That time your wife is metagwo Jury akirĩte ki. Niĩ ndirĩ mũkaguo mbũrũ nĩ waigua. Mwana ũyũ ndamũkora akomete mũtitũ akĩagararwo nĩ mbwe. Akĩrĩra na kĩgi igũrũ rĩgiĩ indo cia thakame tũtarĩ twathĩnjirwo na ĩmwe. Ndakiuga uburu. Oro tukawaria rucio wari yukwo. Na ka example thonde kuga ndaugo gundita nyukwa.
Jigue.
Na ndirakwira atiriri mburu ndirakwira atiriri mahinya maria ndina mo ri no maria mena thoguo wi irima nimo ndatigeirwo ndienda kuigua guku nainai
kana Baara
ndienda kuigua kunu saya tathie toro yo come
mama da rona na ye isi no ra manania guku riu rona ke bie
mburu ndauga atiriri johi mundu ainukagiria muka nie ndukung'ambira na macohi maku makuheo you see gutie mundu mongero manie na nyina
no
kana kari woni wake but he would give you a serious threat
like ya comment to corona rusio wa kwani musuletie mokido
ni wataraga meitiriro.
No, the night would be long.
And you see the problem back then, your siblings would not bear with you.
No.
They would be silent. You would not get ng'ombe ku.
Yedi kule ithire.
Isi dwakani yotha kana wasira. Ndu kuro wiwo ike. Raya ndwokiraga. Ukaigura gatirisha. Ukona muthuri ngania maikarite na thoguo hau. Ukamenya this case is about to get closure. Ugathikiriria na gutukumwe.
Nyona ni ng'ombe ndironire kianda. Ndirakimenya ici ni cia mburu. Ndirauga atiriri nigicihure tondu ici akurirwo ni nyamuku
na ndiraiguite ni kwirika kuonwo kirumi
na nduva riu ng'ombe ikereku iu akwa ni gutuma ici ciaku igire
ukamenya a sigh of
relief.
Ukamanya well, that is the first chapter of the case soon. So the punishment has become
punishment ni abayago wago.
You are not likely to face the electric chair. Kumala yana haure. Pata ima thoguo athigo kinya mayo tondu tene andu matia kinya na mayo hakuira nyumba. Ugashomuka sia. Othie gwa coguo. Ohoro yake atia?
Ohoro horere.
Wakiripotera coguo. The stolen goods have now been recovered.
There's a developing story. Yes. There is a new development.
Yes. You stay there for 3-4 days. Thoguo korona kenia kuono agikuania maundu mu.
Aikuhura ni uhio wonekire. Wale in safe custody.
Yes. Never mind all that labor. Mundu no atare maita maria mwathinjirwe mwe muri.
After being threatened with death.
With death. Actually torture. Ona thoguo ri ateire ndegwa ngima na ndionekire ajirekire ukuhurira nituthie muthuri wa nie kwani orokoro tuye
twa muthuri we
because it's Thursday. Yes, they na pajamas to losa kitabu. You see, heko the mwe either technology nio kirege cieheria or just people just ran out of the vibe. Yes. Heko the and I think it was passed down through generations because I do not remember back then causes cia food na yoduriku. Ocio. Ko the
gutuma
mafurana na uthi. Yes. You see, gutuma kwari maita maigana
meri.
Yes. And depending on your expertise, it would guide the tools you are using. Ni kwari eto mekuha.
Mekuha.
Yes.
No mera ihu ile anyitanagio mwana wana mweno.
Yes. And it was a concentration issue. Ugwe ciakirana goguo. Ugwe ciakirana?
Ukirana.
Yes. We gutuma na gutari kwa ndothe gwa korosi
kurosire eo yari advance
yes crochet yes
kurosi yari advance
kurosi ndwi he ndu wa guca yo yari na tuhu that was like surgery
ino ya mikuhari
yes
ndirecire ni yathomithagio home science rire yathomagwo primary
yes
I think that's standard 6 or 7
there was a topic called knitting I don't think it is there anymore
nuanga
you see korosi wa tumari product hiyo ya umari ni akwiriirie fulana ya utumwo na macini
yes
no mekuhari wekira fulana yori it was equivalent to wearing a carpet
mekuhane atigagia mianya
yes na fulana ya mekuhari in extreme weathers ni aigiragia ruhuho
They are tight.
Province ya mutumiri yamenyagwo na how porous the end product is and wakora ile tuma from a very young age yes wakora kile tugatumite kamati
ugoge ruge for in how far akathika advance
yes ayetueka mutumia ri she's an expert
ona wasemanagia na mutumia barabara akuite murigo kana mwana ng'ong'o moko no mikuha
na rathie na bara agitumaga
yes
there is a time everything we were wearing warm was homemade yes
handmade
mathio makagura uthi wetagwo Robin
adoreto nyoni
na uthi ucio wari muthaka uguo kwanja wakira nago yes na nyau ni ahuruka iyo kwa gituma
useless creature igaragarite na uthi ucio
kana wena ucidwe waku ri karatathi aya karapite uthiri ugatarure urekani
uthi urekani riu wajie kugia mutumi
wamenya riu ni kwajia gukinya mworia nyoni ni mwori wa heho nene okama nyokwa gatengerera mauthi and you see Cithiate na classifications that large medium akorora go
utiari ate small na medium na excel
atuma kare kagaikia kiondo agatuma unika muthoni kaunika mutungu wao iria tukare kare twiko lounge
lounge nguo
yes well you look like a street comedian
na nyingi ciare unisex
yes
will be worn by either gender
exactly yes na yatu muone ya bereri ni undu wa ku maintain tensile forces ri mekira mabere maiga nona ari was an exercise ya gutindeka igira mutwe
etondo giko atigetio kanini
yani zangi ngotaka mukara ka afya akora karaye kira oni atugati
empia aturie getagwo kamakia ngoma
and the young emaciated ones never looked good yale matare meri kwa jaribu mutumia ate watu mafura na icio na ni ari na artistic mind kadika ginyaritu yes
ruacio mari my expert
what are you saying
kana guku moko agagwikira karaini ka white na gingo ini
yes kana ukuthutha akugutha KINYAU never mind ori orakura naguo no KINYAU no guo giakuraga nikana gituyu ndirakwira rugongo tene mutumia angiohire nda by the time aheo mwana ucio she had all the baby's warm clothing
yes ya gwitumira
yes ona kana guthi kwa mweri wana to astronaut Atumeirwo boshori. Furana. Muvuto na wena karori ya kuoha.
Na muvuto wa furana twahanaga wega.
Agere ya miaka ogekire muvuto wa furana ona no ona gotho tari intelligent.
Na tuthogithi. Na tu
growth all in matching colors.
Kimenjithia kia uthi.
Wana deep sea diver. Because the only part you would see is the baby's face.
Matching.
Omanyale uthi ucio atumira naguo ni mumata. Yes. Riu ona twathie guthimwo kiriniki ri. Na eta ni gaturutwo nguo tondu cina kilo 4.
Kabe kaurwo nguo. Kahutha.
Kaheane actual
weight. Atuthogithi na tuona twekiragwo uthi.
Yes.
Wa kunyitia. Tojoka tukorira barabara kana matatu.
Kana ngari-ini. Gutie ngari turakoya icurĩtio gathomi.
Kaundu kau karathirire the other day.
In the hope that mwena ni araingira ngari iyo ringi.
Akone.
Yeah, identify. And people are very honest. Matiacurũragia.
Caro matiacurũragia.
Ona tuthogithi let me tell you, I'm Italy. We used to stay warm. Yes. What are you here to my irate? You know, she atiengi. Ino yagi aturo hana ina ifugo.
Hey, furana yagi aturo.
Yes. It's okay. Kirwa modo.
Ona gutuma boshodi na kuo kwari okothi.
No. What's your dwale? It's okay. Kirwa kamoso do hayo.
Who even introduced that thing?
Used to make kids look like practicing magicians.
Na bosholi na moso do.
Why you go? Okay, akijire tu na urekirwo nguo icio ri. Ni wona gato tarafa ga uthoma muno.
Thukuru cia haiti gagutanya.
Never mind. Kuri andu meho na muno matura mbao na kigeca. Andu agima ni mekira mibuto ya mauthi. They looked.
No, you can't look bright. Mibuto ya mauthi.
We mekira ona mbocori ni undu wa mura.
Wena mubuto wa uthi. Opinion yaku no yakuona ũritũ.
Mũthuri witũ Saida ndikũmũwete. Nĩ aĩnginya na igoti rĩana rĩa thuti no nĩ rĩa mauthi. Ararĩ ona kandekwo gũkũ jamu-inĩ eta atĩ athii akĩamba
Njemanagia nake haha ngurubu rĩmwe na rĩmwe.
Ĩra na oe ngari citũ ciothe. Nguĩre kwanja wakora brother ciaku ciothe na sister mũtumithĩirio rangi ũyũ.
Ũmwe.
Yes.
Mũhanaine ta birithi.
You look like a troupe of circus performers. Mwana ta muna set piece radio present National Theatre. And you were okay with your sada.
Actually, mũtumĩirwo nguo cia mauthi gĩthemba kĩu rĩ.
Yes.
Ndwahava kũria ciana iria brothers and sisters. You could tell.
No, every family had a theme. Tamanya mwana mũgũnda twĩna cia green ciothe. Cia kwa Cithiate.
Green yo gũkũ.
Nĩ ĩkoragwo wa Cithiate. Actually, when you are in the city's periphery, ndwabatara kũmenya these people are far away from home. Na nĩ fulani ũngĩonirwo rutĩte nĩ ũkũragwo.
Urute fulani yo kwanja ucoke ote.
Iure.
No hurukire we.
It was your football jersey. Odhithi ne orike. Let me tell you.
We have come from somewhere.
At the time we used to have more fur than sheep. More wool than sheep. Tuhana merino. Wanaja na yaro kitana yendo turume.
Na kuesha nasio the share of life.
The share of life. For the one they used to, you see the scientific expansion and contraction. Lemo fura na yonea asu haga. Kwaje mahura maigano.
Na ya hitia riu ya boke uthi.
Yes.
O hanini tu.
Yes. Kana todo kuna madini umekosa mwilini, ore guoko. Bado mare ya furana.
Ni nyihua wa madini mwere.
Na de ateagwo, ya tuago riu ge kumuthi.
Kana gathambia kaindo.
The good old days, I tell you.